నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ టు ఎన్ఎస్టీవీ. నా పేరు ప్రతిభ. ముందుగా వార్తల్లోని ముఖ్యాంశాలు చూద్దాం. ఈరోజు హైదరాబాద్ నగరంలోని మాదాపూర్లో ఉన్న హైటెక్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ గ్రౌండ్స్లో ఒక మెగా వ్యాక్సినేషన్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించారు. 3 సువిశాల హాల్స్లో వందల కొలది వ్యాక్సినేషన్ కౌంటర్లు ఏర్పాటు చేసి ఒక్క రోజున 40,000 మందికి వ్యాక్సిన్ ఇచ్చే కార్యక్రమాన్ని చేపట్టారు. ఈ మెగా కార్యక్రమాన్ని సైబరాబాద్ పోలీస్ వారు, మెడికవర్ గ్రూప్ మరియు సొసైటీ ఫర్ సైబరాబాద్ సెక్యూరిటీ కౌన్సిల్ సంస్థతో కలిసి సంయుక్తంగా చేపట్టారు. ప్రజల నుంచి ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి అనూహ్య స్పందన వచ్చిందని ఈ కార్యక్రమం నిర్వాహకులు ఈ సందర్భంగా తెలిపారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా సొసైటీ ఫర్ సైబరాబాద్ సెక్యూరిటీ కౌన్సిల్ జనరల్ సెక్రటరీ కృష్ణ ఏదుల గారు ఎన్ఎస్టీవీతో అక్కడి విశేషాలను వివరించారు.
Krishna Edula, Secretary General, Society for Cyberabad Security Council. Today, we are conducting a mega vaccination drive in collaboration with Cyberabad Police and Medicover Hospitals at HITEX. This drive has started at 7:30 in the morning today. The whole registration process has been automated using technology, because when we got this idea of doing a mass vaccination, we thought only by using technology we'll be able to do a very smooth and very smooth drive for the citizens to come and take this jab. So Medicover Hospitals has created an app, web link, which has facilitated all the citizens to register themselves and also pay for the jab upfront, so that we can avoid any kind of registration process at the venue when they come in, to take the vaccination. So that's exactly as what happened today morning. We have seen the citizens coming in as early as 5 o'clock in the morning, though the vaccination starts at 8 o'clock. And we have taken 3 hangars at HITEX with 100 vaccination stations, as you see at the backdrop, in each of these hangars. So we had 300 vaccination stations with over 1,650 staff from Medicover Hospitals and volunteers from Cyberabad Security Council. The whole idea of doing such a drive is, whenever we talk about the situation that is there before us, the pandemic wave 2, we always think that we should beat the transmission with the vaccination. So if there is a race between transmission and vaccination, I'm sure everybody would prefer to have vaccination win that race. So with that idea, we have started this wonderful initiative, and I'm sure with the thumping success of this initiative, as we know, we had about 40,000 people registered for this vaccination. Until now, about 34,000 have already been vaccinated, and then again another hour to go to cover the balance. This will become an inspiration for a lot of hospitals and also NGOs across the country to do such mass vaccination drives in order to beat even if there is a wave 2 in future. Today's vaccination drive is meant for Covaxin alone, dose 1 or dose 2. Whoever have taken dose 1 vaccination today, they will have another drive like this exactly 30 to 35 days from today, and that will be announced by all of us in the next couple of days. Apart from this, there is also a plan to do a vaccination drive exclusively for Covishield. So whenever that is ready, we will be announcing it to the entire news media, so that people can register for that drive as well. And this whole concept has started just about a week ago, that we were thinking to do such a mass vaccination drive. And the entire planning has been so successful just because it was well supported by technology. So when people register, we know that they don't have to wait at the venue. The whole process is contactless, the whole process is paperless, and we know that we will be able to manage up to 50,000 people for this vaccination drive today. So Cyberabad Security Council, popularly known as SCSA, is a 15-year-old organization, a collaborative body between Cyberabad Police and the industry sectors. These industry sectors include IT, ITES, pharma, manufacturing, healthcare, hospitality, and real estate. The main focus areas for Cyberabad Security Council is to collaborate between industry, employees, and also the law enforcement agencies. So we work on 4 key areas, namely women safety, road safety, cyber security, and infrastructure security. So over last 15 years, there are a lot of impactful programs that SCSCA has drawn up and implemented. Some of them are the She Shuttles that we run for women employees in the IT corridor, the Traffic Volunteers Initiative, the volunteers from IT companies who come onto the junctions every day morning and support Cyberabad traffic police officers to regulate traffic and also do a lot of road safety campaigns. Cyberabad Security Council has also drawn up many other initiatives around women's safety. Some of them to mention are Margadarshak program, Sangamitra, and also the cyber security wing of Cyberabad Security Council is planning to create a center of excellence for cyber security. We've also been doing over the last 6 years the annual conclaves covering road safety, women's safety, and cyber security.